What about you? Welcome to Premier Lawn's video. Some important news to tell you. Stick around. Today we're going to be aerating, scarifying and putting down a moss killer and feeding this large lawn.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the
So as you can see, the aeration's now been carried out, so now we're going to do the scarifying. It is trying to rain here at the minute, so we'll have to see how it goes.
desires. We're not getting tired, baby, take me higher. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it, boy. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some.
Alright, so that's one pass over the lawn. You can see the amount that's come out. I'm pretty happy with what's come out, so let's have a look at it. It's our usual affair. Lots of moss, lots of thatch, really just choking the lawn. So whenever we get this out, it's going to let the lawn breathe. Aerating and scarifying your lawn once a year. Really good to get this out if you want a really good healthy lawn the rest of the year. Unfortunately, it's starting to rain here, so I've had to put the camera away. I did use the GoPro a minute ago. I'm going to have to put it away again because it's starting to rain again, and I need to do this the second time. So let's get on with that now.
This could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. You love me right. If you love me right, yeah.
So at the minute, Daniel's putting on the moss control.
This could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby.
Welcome back. This is the last scarifying and aerating video of the season. We're not going to be doing any more scarifying or aerating videos. If you've enjoyed this video, I think you'll really enjoy this video over here. Make sure you go and check that out. I'll see you next video. Goodbye.